out about my house. A lot of little monsters live here. But I have a super pet that likes to catch them. His name is RoboVac. He has 2 claws and a giant mouth. We like to go on monster hunting adventures. Look, he's going into a forest. Oh no, the monsters are trying to run away. Go, RoboVac, charge! Shh, follow me. Oh, be careful. Good job, we did it.
Sweetie, I'm home.
Alexa, turn on robot.
Start cleaning.
for cleaner floors throughout your entire home at the push of a button. Meet the iRobot Roomba 900 series vacuum cleaning robot. The power to change the way you clean. The Roomba 900 series vacuum cleaning robot helps you keep up with everyday mess. Thanks to its advanced iAdapt 2.0 navigation system, the 900 series seamlessly navigates an entire level of your home. A full suite of sensors and a visual localization system help the Roomba 900 series map your home as it cleans, so it always knows exactly where it is, where it's been, and where it needs to go next. While its low-profile design enables it to clean under furniture, beneath its calm exterior, the Roomba 900 series cleaning system is hard at work. It automatically increases power on carpets and rugs, delivering up to 10 times the air power for an even deeper clean. The AeroForce 3-stage cleaning system balances the 3 components of effective vacuuming: agitation, brushing, and suction. And thanks to the new iRobot Home app, your powerful cleaning partner is always ready to go. You can start, schedule, and monitor the 900 series from just about anywhere and anytime. Cleaner floors every day, all at the push of a button. The Roomba 900 series. The power to change the way you clean.
With our new Neato D7, Kat and I get along much better because we don't have to worry about who's going to get in trouble.
I still get to be me and express myself without having to deal with the consequences that come with that.
With Neato D7, they use their voice to schedule cleanings. So they come back to a freshly vacuumed home, and it's nothing but love, man.
It's crazy how this one thing completely eliminated all that dog fur.
And if there's an area that's off limits, it's easy to teach the D7 where not to go.
Neato uses lasers to map and navigate multiple rooms, then tells you exactly where it's cleaned.
So whenever I feel like chewing shoes, tearing up the paper towels, or yakking up the cat litter...
Dude, you eat my cat litter?
We both consider ourselves fairly domesticated, but there are just some instincts we won't ever be able to shake.